Considered the rarest amongst the Brock Commodores, this VC model is finished in black and features 4-speed transmission. The car has only travelled 85,000 kilometres since new. It has all of its service history, a very collectible VC Brock Commodore, black in colour, featuring 4-speed transmission. Available in our Sydney facility at Mascot. Come and have a look at it. For all you Brock and HDT fans, a must. The car is probably, I would suggest, 8 to 9 out of 10 overall. That is paint condition, trim, running gear, just a real beauty. For those looking for the rarest Brock Commodores, come and have a look.